I just want to show you some works of our students at Nails Pro Academy, because I can speak about our school and classes for a long time, but results are better than words, right? So just want to show you some of the nails our students are turning in. Most of those are graduate works, so the ones that you do at the end. Some of them are acrylic, some of them are gel, and you see it's possible. Like once you follow all the assignments. And also you can see the nails now from a different angles, because that's what we require to do, like to take a picture from the front view, from the side view. This is pink and white from the gel course, and here's another view from the side view, because we also want to make sure that you have apex on point, that you have side walls on point, as well as the C-curve. Would you like to be able to do the same? Now, this is the screenshot of the message I got yesterday. Hey, I was just wondering, how much would it cost if I have bitten my nails? Because I watched one of your bitten nails transformation, and I get this kind of messages like every day. And yes, I know that some of you might think like, well, of course, Anastasia, you have so many following. Of course you do. But the thing is, I received them even when I started. I mean, I started from zero. English is not even my native language. I learned it when I was a teenager already. So, I mean, it wasn't easy for me as well, but we all started somewhere. We all started from zero following, from zero skill at all, right? And even back then, I received many messages like that, because I showed it, Once I had this client with the bitten nails, I just posted the picture before and after. And at this point, some people saw that, oh my God, it is possible for my bitten nails to do something to them. Can you do that too? So it's quite important that you do this kind of transformations and you share them with the world, right? I just think that those people, they never thought that it's possible. But now that I showed it to them, they started coming and coming. I guess that's why I had most bitten nails clients from my city as my clients. So I could do it with some patience and practice, and over actually, that's 40K graduates already did it in our school, and you guys can absolutely do that too. This is just another example of how I post the picture. So this is the nail we had before. This is what we have after. So this is just a simple extension. I believe this one was acrylic, I guess. So we're not just doing nails. That's what I really believe. We're not, just filing someone's nails. We're actually helping people to see how beautiful they are. And I'm not just, I know it probably sounds a bit cheesy, but I see these emotions every day. When a client like that comes to me with the bitten nails, do you know how she comes? I swear, they just put their hands on my table like that. And I'm like, don't worry, I'm kind of like a doctor, can just don't feel that shy, because they're just so used to hiding their hands, their nails from the world. And after I'm done with extensions, they're like a queens, their like moves of their hands, they just change. They're like, just behaving completely differently, because now they just love the look of their hands. And man, that's awesome. I even have goosebumps now as I remember all these episodes. And if you're working with the clients, you probably know what I'm talking about. Like, this helps to gain confidence for a woman. And once you're confident about yourself, about how you look, you can rock the world, right? So that's why I'm so passionate about what I do, and just doing it every day. So nail transformations, they're always in demand. Clients will desperately try to schedule an appointment with you once you show them that you are able to do that. And also, nail artists offering nail transformations, they usually earn more dollars. That's just a thought for you guys. If you are already doing that, just please show it more so the people can actually see that you're able. This is an online nail sculpting class, level 1. This is the most popular class, and I believe one of the most informative class that we have currently, because it includes natural nail anatomy, product chemistry, form fitting, 13 lessons, product application practice, hands-on practice, nail preparation, filing, color application. And that's not just the name of one lesson. There are over 100 lessons. Just the essence of the topics that we have. So each class is available in 3 technologies: acrylic, hard gel, or polygel. And you can choose just one. You can choose 2 or all 3. It's really up to you. If you decide to take all 3, I recommend to start with acrylic. Acrylic first, and then hard gel probably, and then polygel. That's the sequence I recommend if you decide to take all 3. So there are over 100 lessons in high definition. You can see all the details. We use the micro lens for some lessons when we updated it, so you can see all the small details. We have quiz and tests just to make sure you're doing it right way. We have live teacher graded assignments, certificate of completion for each class. So if you will take, let's say, acrylic and hard gel, you will get certificate for acrylic and hard gel separately. So that's 2 certificates. You will get an access to international students chat. I see some students that are already in this chat, and you will get a lifetime access to the chat. So once you're in, you just stay there with us, and we just, talk about some things there, sometimes give some recommendations where to order something. Well, we have a high quality lessons. This is how they will look like. You just click play, you just watch the detailed class. We have theory, we have schemes like I just showed you, we have lots of practice lessons. And you can watch it from any device, like anywhere at the comfort of your home, during your commute, in the office, like anywhere. You can use your laptop, your iPad, your phone, whatever works for you. Well, big screen is preferable, definitely, for learning, but if you have a small one, that's fine too. Then you will get a feedback. Kisa is our main teacher who will be checking your assignments, and let's say you have a mistake, she will point it out like that with the graphics, like with this, arrows, or just point it out like, here, you need to work a little bit here. If everything's okay, she just accept it and you proceed to the next lesson. If something is wrong, you need to fix that first, resend what you've fixed, and then you can proceed. So this is a lot like a live education, like an actual imitation of the live education, but the only difference is that it's online. Now, then you will pass the exam, you will post your final entry, your beautiful nails that you've done for the design, for the exam, and then you'll get certificates, maybe multiple certificates if you will attend a few classes. If you choose just acrylic, you will get acrylic certificate. If you choose just gel, it's going to be gel certificate. If it's going to be 3 of them, you'll get 3 certificates.